Hey guys, it's me, Nita. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, guys, I want to share with you the revamping of my laundry room. My laundry room is not a really big space, guys, so we had to maximize every inch of this laundry room to make it very functional and pleasant to use. So yeah, we gutted the entire laundry room. So we demoed everything. We had some guys come in, hang new drywall. They came in, they did that. And then we're gonna have the painters come out and do the painting. And then also the flooring in here, we needed to upgrade the flooring and have it to match the existing flooring that I have throughout the house. And so once all of that got done, my husband came in and he did hang some side paneling walls because we want to have the new appliances encased inside of the side panels. So he did get that done, and he also installed the cabinetry as well as the butcher block countertop. So now the laundry room is done, y'all, and we have been using it. We've been using it so much, y'all, till it's time to restock now on my supplies. So yes, I went to Walmart and I've restocked on the supplies, and I'm gonna take you guys along while we go ahead and refill all of the containers. Also, by the way, all of the containers that I use, most of them are from Amazon or either Walmart. So I'll have the link for all of the containers in my description box below. So if you're interested, make sure you check them out. Let me drop back in to say welcome to all of you. If you are a returning family member, girl, welcome back. If you are new here, then welcome. I hope that you enjoy the content. You can also go back and look at some of my past videos, and I hope that you enjoy them as well. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Y'all, go ahead and hit the like button as well. Go ahead and share the video and leave me a comment. So once again, I want to say thank y'all so much. I appreciate you, and continue watching. These are perfect dispensers for your laundry liquids, guys. I love the fact that it has a handle on the top. It has the spout that you see there. And then for the cap, to cap off the spout, you have a measuring cup cap. So these containers are really good for your laundry liquids. I'll be sure to put the link for these in the description box too. We also added this 2-door storage closet, which also gives me a lot more storage as well. For our appliances, we decided to go with the full-size stackable washer and dryer by LG. This unit definitely helps you save on space. So if you're looking to maximize the square footage of a small laundry room, I recommend the stackable full-size laundry washer and dryer unit. Thank y'all so much for watching. And as always, until the next time, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.